it's time to move on to our next exciting event, the Spell Bee competition.
Will our participants can spell words correctly under pressure. So get ready to think fast and spell faster.
And rounds of the competition.
The spelling bee will be conducted in 2 rounds, designed to test participants' spelling accuracy, speed, and vocabulary.
Round 2, rapid fire round. Each participant will be asked 5 words one by one. Each word will be pronounced twice. Participant must spell aloud immediately. Plus 2 points for each correct spelling and 1 minus point for each wrong answer. The top 5 scorers will move to next round.
We would like to invite our spell bee master, Miss Vasundhara ma'am. Take over the stage and lead us through the competition.
We are excited to have you with us to guide our participant through the thriller round.
So participants, get ready. Let's confident.
I welcome our below 12 participants. There are 4 students who were shortlisted for this. I ask them to come. Please come forward, all the 4 of you. Reyansh, Bhargavi, Udbhav and Yashvi. Yashita. I'm so sorry for it. It's Yashita. Rules समझ लिए? Did you understand? There is negative marking. Okay. So I'll be speaking the words just twice. And you have to spell it out. There will be -1. Okay? And every spelling which you spell correctly, it's +2. So let's start with Bhargavi. Bhargavi, please. You can stand here. The first word for you, Bhargavi, is stream.
STREAM, stream.
You have to read out. I'll speak out loud. You. The second word for you, Bhargavi, is cascade. You have to spell out quickly. Cascade.
CASCADE.
The next word for you, Bhargavi, is leafy. Leafy.
LEAFY.
The next word for you, Bhargavi, is pollute.
POLLUTE.
The last word for you, Bhargavi, is endangered.
ENDANGERED.
Well done, Bhargavi. Now, Rehan, please come forward. The first word for you, Rehan, is journey.
JOURNEY.
The next word for you is mountain.
MOUNTAIN.
The next word for you is compass. Compass.
COMPASS.
The next word for you is cluster.
CLUSTER.
And the last word for you is biodiversity. Biodiversity.
PIODERVISITY.
Okay. Thank you.
सो नेचर क्विज क्लासरूम में है, यहाँ से राइट साइड में क्लासरूम्स जो हैं वो वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है क्लासरूम के बाद। नेचर क्विज का फर्स्ट राउंड जो रिटर्न राउंड है वो होने जा रहा है। आई विल बी कंडक्टिंग, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो ऑडियंस में बैठे होंगे नेचर क्विज के, वो वहाँ पे पहुँच जाएं। एंड जजेस हमारे नेचर क्विज के, उनको भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, मैं अभी निकलूँगा यहाँ पे, वो मुझे वहाँ पे मिल जाएं। तो we'll go together to that classroom. So once again request nature quiz का first round शुरू होने जा रहा है, so everyone वहाँ classroom में report करें। Thank you so much. First round में
Forward. So the first spelling for you, Yashita, is journey.
Journey.
The next word for you is greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
The next word for you is recycle.
Recycle.
The next word for you is magical.
Magical.
The next word for you is meadow. Meadow.
Meadow.
Thank you, Yashika. Udbhav, please come forward. The first word for you is atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
The next word for you is bright.
Bright.
The next word for you is creature. Creature.
Creature.
The next word for you is pebbles. Pebbles.
Pebble.
The next word for you is zoology. Zoology.
Zoology.
Very close. लास्ट में आई आता है क्या? क्या पढ़ा है फोनिक्स में? नहीं आता है, लास्ट में वाई आता है ना, बस वही गलती। थैंक यू सो मच। So now we are done with our under 12 category. Thank you so much, participants. You may sit. I'll let you know who is selected for the final round. Thank you so much. Give me the mic. Round for the above 12 category participants. Harsh Chaturvedi, please come. Anjali Kushwaha, Prakhar Raj, Alok Shah, Arshi Chauhan, Himanshu Shah, Priyanka Yadav, Avni Chauhan, Swati Shah, Saksham Kumar. Everybody is here? One participant is missing, I think. कौन missing है? Harsh, Anjali. Anjali is not here. Anjali Kushwaha. आप लोग जानते हैं अंजलि को? कोई नहीं जानता? कैसे आएगी? आप लोग के स्कूल की नहीं है अंजलि? Anjali Kushwaha, you are Anjali, please come. You were told to be here.
I am repeating the rules of this round. In this round, each participant will be asked 5 words one by one. Each word will be pronounced twice. Participant must spell aloud immediately. +2 points for each correct spelling and 1 minus point for each wrong answer. The top 5 scorers will move to our next round.
Are you ready? So the first participant is Harsh. Who is Harsh? आगे आ जाइए. Negative marking है. सोच के बोलिएगा. I'll repeat the word only twice. I'll not repeat it for the third time. So please listen carefully. So we start with the first spelling for Harsh. It's magnificent.
MAGNIFICIENT.
The next word is analyze.
ANALYSE.
I request the audience, please do not prompt. Heritage.
HERITAGE.
The next word is transparent.
TRANSPARENT.
And the last word is persistent.
Can you repeat?
Persistent.
PERSISTANT.
Thank you so much. You may please go and sit and hand over the mic to Anjali. Yes, Anjali. Anjali, please listen carefully and then spell. The first word for you is phenomenon.
PHENOMENON.
The second word for you is ambitious. Ambitious.
AMBITIOUS.
The third word for you is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Generous.
GENEROUS.
The fourth word for you is dialogue.
DIALOGUE.
The last word for you is resilient.
RESILIENT.
Thank you so much. Please hand over the mic to Prakhar. The first word for you, Prakhar, is innovation.
INNOVATION.
The second word for you is tradition.
TRADITION.
The third word for you is mysterious.
MYSTERIOUS.
The fourth word for you is evaluate.
EVALUATE.
And the fifth word for you is chlorophyll.
CHLOROPHYLL.
Thank you so much. You can hand over the mic to Alok. The first word for you is exploration.
EXPLORTION.
The second word for you is compassionate. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, इसके बाद नहीं बोलूंगी. Compassionate.
COMPARTINATE.
Third word is determine. Determine.
DETERMINE.
The fourth word is radiation.
RADIATION.
The fifth word is fragrant. Fragrant.
FREGRANT.
फिर से बोलिए. Thank you.
FREGRANT.
Thank you. Thank you आलोक. ध्यान से सुन के आप लोग बोलिए. बहुत इजी वर्ड्स हैं. Now I call forward Anshi. Anshi Chauhan. Arshi Chauhan. Okay. Okay. Arshi. The first word for you, Arshi, is diligent.
Diligent. DILIGENT.
The next word for you is navigation.
NAVIGATION.
The next word for you is metaphor.
METAPHOR.
The fourth word for you is equality.
EQUALITY.
The last word for you is intriguing. Intriguing.
Intriguing. INTRIGUING.
Well done. Thank you so much. Please clap for her. The next participant is Himanshu. Himanshu, yeah. Please come forward. So Himanshu, the first word for you is responsible.
RESPONSIBLE.
The next word for you is endangered. Endangered.
ENDANGERED.
The next word for you is protagonist. Last time repeat करेंगे. Protagonist.
PROTAGINAS.
The next word for you is authentic. Authentic.
OTHENTIC.
The last word for you is melancholy. Melancholy.
MILONCQULY.
Thank you so much. The next participant is Priyanka. First word for you, Priyanka, it's expedition. Expedition.
EXPECTATION.
The next word for you is expression.
EXPRESSION.
The next word is curious.
QUARIOUS.
The next word is independent.
INDEPENDENT.
The next word for you is vibrant. Vibrant.
VIBRANT.
Thank you so much. The next participant, Avni. प्लीज ध्यान से सुन के बोलिए, जल्दी भी मत बोलिए. आपने इजी स्पेलिंग गलत बोल दी जल्दी में बोलने के चक्कर में. The first word for you is imagination.
IMAGINATION.
Okay. The next word for you is renewable.
RENEWABLE.
The next word for you is phenomenal.
PHENOMENAL.
The next word for you is compassionate.
COMPASSIONATE.
The next word for you is intriguing.
INTRIGUING.
Thank you so much. I call forward the next participant, Swati. Give me a minute. The first word for you is astronomer.
ASSONOMENER.
अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, you can ask me again. Okay. The next word for you is authenticity. Authenticity.
ETHAUNTANCITY.
The next word for you is brilliant.
BRILLIANT.
The next word for you is captivating. Captivating.
Captivating. CAPATIVIT. Captivating. CAPATIVITING.
The next word for you is chronicle.
CRONICAL.
The last word for you is analyze.
ANYLASE.
Thank you so much. I call forward the last participant for today. So the first word for you is abundance. Abundance.
ABUDENC.
The next word for you is adaptable. Adaptable.
ADAPT. ABN.
The next word for you is ambiguity.
AMBIGUITY.
The next word for you is benevolent.
BENEVOLENT.
The next word for you is conceptual.
Conceptual. CONCEPTUAL.
The last word for you is differentiate. Thank you so much all the participants. So we take 5 minutes to let you know who all are qualifying for the next round, the final round. And there is a tie for the second qualifier. छोटा पैकेट हमारा रेयांश और उसके साथ टाई है यशिता. Please come forward. 3 of you, please come forward. अच्छा, इसके बाद Ready for the third round? This is the final round. So Didi will brief you about the rules for the third round and then we will start.
That was an intense round. Our participant really handled the pressure well.
Yes, some spellings were tricky, but you all did an amazing job. Congratulations to those who have qualified for the next and final round.
Grand final round, round 3, the 1 minute marathon.
Each participant will have 1 minute to spell as many words as possible.
Rounds one after another by the spell master. The faster you will spell, the more word you will get.
Word, it must be spelled. You will get 1 point for each correct spelling.
The highest score in this round win. Examiner will repeat the word only on participant request. Will decide the winner.
Let's begin the round 3, the 1 minute marathon. Best of luck to all our finalists.
Ready? So let's start with the first participant for the rapid fire round of the Spell Bee competition of Singrauli Literature Fest Season 2. Bhargavi, I request you to please come forward. So we start the timer for Bhargavi for 1 minute. Let's start. Meadow.
MEADOW.
Pebble.
PEBBLE.
Tunnel.
TUNNEL.
Basket.
BASKET.
Window.
WINDOW.
Desert.
DESERT.
Island.
ISLAND.
Ocean.
OCEAN.
Garden.
GARDEN.
Flower.
FLOWER.
Stop. So Bhargavi spelled a total of 10 spellings in 1 minute, out of which all were correct. Congratulations Bhargavi, wonderful performance. You have given a very high benchmark to your fellow participants. Please hand over the mic to Yashita. Let's start, Yashita. Let's start. You must understand the trick. The faster you spell, the higher will be your chances to be the winner. So let's start with the first word. Sunset.
SUNSET.
Shadow.
SHADOW.
Season.
SEASON.
Branches.
BRANCHES.
Feather.
FEATHER.
Hunter.
HUNTER.
Streamer.
STREAMER.
Colorful.
COLOURFUL.
Village.
VILLAGE.
Lantern. Lantern.
LALTERN.
Stone.
STONE.
Thunderstorm.
THUNDERSTORM.
Stop. So Yashita spelled a total of 12 spellings, and out of which I'll ask my judges. 11 are correct. Well done Yashita. So now we have our chota packet. Now Reyansh. Let's start. Ready Reyansh? Start karo. Chalo, start. Harvest.
HARVEST.
Hillside.
HILLSIT.
Picnic. Butterfly.
Putterfly.
Horizon. Horizon.
Horizon.
Shelter.
Shelter.
Treasure.
Treasure.
Advocate. Advocate.
Advocate.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Clarify.
Clarify.
Stop. Spelled a total of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 spellings, and out of which 2 were wrong. Thank you so much, Reyansh. You did a good job. Don't be sad. Please clap for Reyansh. So now we have the clear winner. We'll be giving the certificates later on during the day. Thank you so much, kids. You may go back to your seats. Thank you so much. Exceptional.
EXCEPTION.
Expansion.
EXPANSION.
Fascinating.
FACINATING.
Fortunate.
FORTUNATE.
Function.
FUNCTION.
Generation.
GENERATION.
Geography.
GEOGRAPHY.
Grateful.
GRATEFUL.
Guardian.
GUARDIAN.
Heritage.
HERITAG.
Humanity.
HUMANITY.
Identify.
IDENTIFY.
Stop. So you spelled 12 spellings, out of which one is wrong. One is wrong. The first spelling for you is illusion. Out of 14, 2 wrong. Well done. So we start. Optimistic.
OPTIMISTIC.
Parallel.
PARALLEL.
Participate.
PARTICIPATE.
Perception.
PERCEPTION.
Potential.
POTENTIAL.
Priority. Priority.
PRIORITY.
Proportion.
PROPORTION.
Recognition.
RECOGNITION.
Reliable.
RELIABLE.
Resourceful.
RESOURCEFUL.
Versatile.
VERSATILE.
Camouflage.
CAMOUFLAGE.
Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy.
HYPROCRISY.
Eccentric.
ECENTRIC.
Stop. Out of 14, 2 wrong. So we have a tie. So we'll have a tiebreaker round. Please come. The first word for you is authenticity.
AUTHENTICITY.
Benevolent.
BENEVOLENT.
Boundary.
BOUNDARY.
Brilliant.
BRILLANT.
Calculation. Captivating.
CAPTIVATING.
Characteristic.
CARACTERIST.
Chronicle.
CRONICLE.
Clarify.
CLARIFY.
Collaborate.
COLLABORATE.
Compassion.
COMPASSI.
11 spellings, out of which 3 wrong. Well done. Thank you so much. To both of you. Okay. So let's start with Avni. So Avni, please hear carefully and then spell. Because out of you two, only one will be the winner of this spell bee. So let's start. Let's start the timer. Endeavor. Endeavor.
ENDAEAVOUR.
Entrepreneur.
ENTREPRENEUR.
Bureaucracy.
BUBEAUREACY.
Catastrophe.
CATATROSPHE.
Chrysalis. Chrysalis. Paradox.
PARADOX.
Magnanimous.
MAGNANOMIUS.
Euphoria.
EUPHORIA.
Benevolent.
BENEVOLENT.
Rendezvous.
RENDEAVOU.
Camouflage.
CAMAFLOUGE.
What's our score? Out of 11, 7 wrong. That's fine, that's fine. You reached till here. 7 wrong, so your score is 4. Okay? Let's start for Prakar. Camouflage.
CAMOFLAUGE.
Connoisseur. Connoisseur. Hypocrisy.
HYPOCRACY.
Eccentric. Eccentric.
ECCENTRIC.
Quarantine.
QUARNTINE.
Certainly. Certainly. Kaleidoscope.
KALEIDOSCOPE.
Acknowledgement.
ACKOKNOWELEDGMENT.
Irresistible.
IRRESISTABLE.
Miscellaneous.
MISCLLEANOUS.
Your time is done. So he spelled 10 words, out of which 6 were wrong. We again have a tie. Please be seated. We'll sort out something. Please be seated.
Wow, what an amazing display of spelling skills. Each participant truly gave their best effort.
We would also like to extend our heartful gratitude to Ms. Vasundhara Ma'am, our spell master, for conducting the competition so wonderfully and making it such a fun learning experience. Thank you so much, ma'am.
With that, we officially conclude the spelling bee competition. Thank you everyone for enthusiasm and support.
Stay tuned. More
I
exciting.
like to interrupt. Please wait. So time हुआ है तो break करना भी पड़ेगा. So please come, प्रखर. कहाँ गए प्रखर? Please come. And Avni, please come. So now I'll be giving one word, just one word. ठीक है? जो जल्दी बताएगा, जो पहले हैंड रेज करेगा, जो श्योर है उस स्पेलिंग के बारे में, ठीक है? वो स्पेल करेगा. अगर वो सही स्पेल किया, if you are correct, then you are the winner, and if you are wrong, the other person is the winner. Okay? So, word for you is quintessential. Who raised the hand first?
QUINTESSENTIAL.
Well done, Avni. Well done, Avni. It was very difficult to judge. Thank you so much. So now we'll conclude this activity. We have winners for both the age categories. For above 12 it's Avni and for under 12 it's Bhargavi? No, Yashita. Yashita. Okay.
Stay tuned, more excited events are on the way.